When it comes to transferring money internationally, choosing the right service can save you both time and money. Two of the most popular platforms for this are Wise and Remitly. Both have their strengths, but they cater to different needs depending on what you're looking for in a money transfer service. In this video, we will break down how Wise and Remitly compare in terms of fees, exchange rates, transfer limits, accessibility, and more to help you make the best decision. One of the most important factors to consider when transferring money abroad is the fees. Wise is known for its transparency. The platform uses the mid-market exchange rate, which is the fairest rate available without any hidden markups. Wise charges a small fee, usually starting around 0.35% of the amount you're sending. This can make it a cheaper option if you're sending larger amounts, as you will know exactly what you are paying upfront. Remitly, on the other hand, charges a flat fee for its services. However, the exchange rates can come with a markup that ranges from 0.5% to as high as 3%, depending on the currencies involved. This means you might not get the best deal on exchange rates with Remitly, but the platform offers flexibility in how the money is delivered, including cash pickups, which Wise does not provide. Transfer limits are another critical aspect to consider. Wise tends to offer higher transfer limits compared to Remitly, especially for verified users. For example, with a wire transfer, you can send up to $1 million per transfer through Wise. If you are using an H payment or a debit card, the limit might be lower, but it is still substantial. Remitly has a tiered system based on your verification level and how long you've been using the service. For first-time users, the daily limit is around $2,999, but it can increase to $10,000 over time. Remitly's system might work well for those who are sending smaller amounts and prefer a simpler, more straightforward process. Both Wise and Remitly take security very seriously, using top-notch encryption to protect users' data. Wise goes a step further with multi-factor authentication and real-time security alerts. Meanwhile, Remitly also ensures safe transactions by locking accounts after multiple failed login attempts and verifying IDs for cash pickups. As for ease of use, both services provide intuitive mobile apps and websites. Wise's clean and transparent interface makes it simple for users to send money with just a few clicks. Similarly, Remitly's app is designed for quick and easy transfers, and it offers real-time notifications so you can track the status of your transfer. In conclusion, Wise is an excellent choice for those looking to send larger amounts of money with low fees and no hidden costs, especially if the recipient has a bank account. Its transparency, higher limits, and ease of use make it a solid option. On the other hand, Remitly shines if you need flexibility with cash pickups and delivery options, making it perfect for smaller transfers and recipients who may not have access to a bank. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.